Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Father's Day gift. This is going to be an unboxing video. So let's get into it and let me show you what this product brings. So this is a best dad ever Father's Day gift or even a birthday gift. So this is how the box looks. The box itself, it's a nice box, very stylish, made very well. So when you open it up, you have a special card right here. Best wishes. And you have your metal straw and cleaner. You have this keychain keepsake. Has a nice message in there. You have a multi-tool with a case. Very nice. Then you can see the tool. It's a hammer. Has a wrench. Pliers. If you unlock, see. So it's very functional. So it's like a multi-tool, has different tools in here. Saw, a blade, another saw, and then a screwdriver and a bottle opener. So it's very convenient to have this. This is a great gift. I would love this as a gift. It comes with this tumbler. And it says best dad ever. Nice stainless steel tumbler. Leak proof. Has a nice seal to it. You can put the straw in there. You can seal it up. If you don't want to use straw, and just open up this way. Stainless steel material. Very good quality. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description. And you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Father's Day or birthday gift for a father. I like how it comes with a nice box. It's made very well. Nice lettering. Comes with a tumbler, the multi-tool, 2 metal straws, a keychain with a nice message on here, and a card. So this is an all-in-one gift for any guy that's a father. So this is a great product to buy for them.